When you remember back in the days, we used to buy like an entire chicken or half a chicken. But usually we never eat
No,
it.
not at St. Hugh. Yeah, we used to do it. St. Hubert's used to be on Lawrence, remember?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
And you know where there was
No.
well, time
No.
has
Well,
changed.
relatively.
We used to just buy the chicken and just take it home and eat it. The entire chicken. So look at this, half a chicken is like $22. Back in the days we used to get maybe an entire chicken for like $15. Remember, Pete? We used to be fairly reasonable. Everything's changed and this is a sit down
And they
experience.
moved out of Ontario.
Yes, yes.
We just got our creamy coleslaw. It does look creamy. Oh, you shared for me here. Thank you very much. It depends on what's left there.
You can come right before me.
Daddy is the sharer. This is day one. Evening we're having dinner at St. Hubert's.
You've been here before?
Not this location. We remember we went somewhere and we saw St. Hubert's and we bought stuff and we were saying, wow, we thought they were out of operation because they moved out of Ontario, but they were still in operation. Okay, let's eat.
Or they're just out of Ontario.
Guys, this creamy coleslaw was good. Are you guys going to ask for more?
No. Yeah. Okay. You want? It depends on. Did they say? I'm pretty sure they say you can ask for more. Yeah, but that comes after. Well, look at.
I almost forgot to show you guys my platter before I dig in.
Wow, that's.
Wow, check out my Caesar salad. I'm liking it. And I have a wedge of lemon there. With my toasted roll and my half of a Portuguese style chicken. That's a good looking platter. Yeah, that's why it's peri peri Portuguese style chicken. Javon is rotisserie. Well, this is kind of rotisserie too, but it's peri peri. And look at you. You've almost eaten, slaughtered everything on your plate already.
No.
You
I have very
ordered the
healthy
wrap.
choice.
And I guess he shared it with Javon. Javon has chicken, and yeah, I'll just go with the chicken. But I think I may just have to take all the chicken home.
Half of it.
Maybe. I actually like your veggie that you get there. I didn't know you guys were gonna get veggie. That's a good meal with the veggie. I didn't want a white rice because mine would have come with white rice, so or fries, and I chose the Caesar salad. Look at their eating faces.
Is this mine? What have I done it now? Oh, this is mine.
This is dinner at St. Hubert's in Saint Jean sur Richelieu. Pardon me?
Because that's what they gave her.
How come you have? Do you know what to do with those individual things?
It's a part of my meal.
No, what is each for?
Eating with the chicken.
No, not each. Some is with the vegetable, I'm sure.
Okay guys, the boys finished their food, but the girl didn't finish hers. She's taking home the whole chicken in a box. And then tomorrow we're going to be making sandwiches with it for everybody. Okay, so I think we're done. Let's go.
The girl's feeding her for a fight.
Big time.
It's morning time, and the boys went down to use the pool before we go to breakfast. But I'm in the room here. I'm just gonna try to see if I can get a bit editing done. Yeah, sorry I didn't get the shots before we actually start basically ruffling all the feathers in this room. But yeah, it's a pretty decent room that we have here with two big queen beds. They look like queen beds to me. Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, this is me. It's been a long time we haven't been out as a family. We are on the road, so yeah, just spending a few days out here in Quebec. In Quebec, in Saint Jean sur Richelieu. Yeah, just spending a few days out here in Quebec. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get some editing done. So catch you later. My breakfast from day one with a view. I think I want to go get something warm to drink before I start digging into this.
And then walk across there. It look like this. This is called Pi. No, Pi 9 or Pi? Is that 9 or what's 1x again? See if anybody over there playing soccer. But I can't see. Stadium de Montreal. Stadium de Olympic. Park Olympic. Olympic Park. And there's a village over there. That, you know, it looks good for its time. What was that, Javon? 78?
Yeah, 76.
76, yes. Summer Olympics. Oh. And there's another place that belongs to the stadium too. Belongs to the arena. So it's up here that the Montreal play. Still cutting a dash. After about 40 years almost. Or more. More. How long ago was that? 50 years? Not quite. Almost 50 years, right, Jimmy?
Having the Olympics, you have to try to build things that will be usable after the Olympics, otherwise
Yep, just gotta be strategic about it. Le Village Olympique 5,111 to 5,333.
So I think at that time this would have been an up and coming. Well, I guess it wasn't up and coming so much, but they had space. This was probably the closest to Montreal that they could put such a big space. They could accommodate so